Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be showing icons of each of the mission on our minimap, okay? So let's start from the player house first of all. As you can see, this is our player house. So what we're gonna do is let's first of all disable all of that, all of the missions, and that's it. Then let's move the player from there. Okay, so I'm gonna move the player right here. That's it. Double click on the player. Here it is. Now select the player house, and on the player house click on add component, and the component name is pi underscore minimap. Okay, it's not showing. Let Okay, it is bl actually. Bl underscore minimap entity. Okay, this is the script name. This script comes with the minimap package. Okay, and when you add this script, it will now ask for a target. So the target is the player house. Drag and drop that. Then in the icon settings, you can create a new icon preset for it. But if you notice, when we try to create one, it shows this error. Okay, I think there is some problem with the package. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select this, and from here you can select the icon data and empty or any preset you want. And for the icon, let's click on sprites and drag and drop the home icon. Okay, we don't have that right here, so if you click on select, let's make this big like this, and let's search for the home icon. Okay, here it is, house. Okay, this house icons comes with the minimap. Okay, so just select that, and for the color you can select this color. Okay, and you can leave the size and everything as it is. Now if we click on game, let's start the game, and you will notice it will be now showing the icon for the house. Okay, as you can see, it is showing the icon, but since the color is the same as the house, so we can't properly see it, but it's there, as you can see. So what I can do now is to stop the game. Let's make the icon fully white, play the game again, and there it is, the icon. Okay, you can also increase the size of the icon if you want. Okay, but if you notice, when we are closer to the house, the icon size will be small, but when we start moving away from it, as you can see, the icon size becomes even more smaller. Okay, so if you want, you can change the icon size according to your own liking. As you can see, it changed the size of the icon when we are closer, and it is showing the icon on the entrance right here. Okay, now after the player house, let's do it for our gun shop. If we go in here, actually it is inside the shop system. Okay, as you know that we have the shop right there. Okay, so basically this is the shop. What we're gonna do now is in the shop system, we're gonna create empty game object, name this as gate or something. Then let's move this outside right here. Okay, then on this add the same script, and in here we're gonna select the first one, which is icon data danger. Select that. Okay, as you can see, it shows this. So instead of that, we're gonna add this gun sign. Okay, and its color will be white and not red. Okay, when you do that, Then you can play the game, and it is showing the gun sign right there. Okay, we have the gun sign right here. Now after the gun sign, we have to add a sign for our BJ Smith. So right here we have the mission 3. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open up mission 3 and enable it for now. Click on BJ. On BJ, add the script from in here. Make sure that you never select this icon data pointer, okay? Because as you know that on top of our player it shows the pointer, so that is that pointer data. Make sure that you don't remove this one, okay? You can remove this entity red now. So for BJ Smith we have the B sign right here. Select that sign, its color will be white, and you can increase the size if you want to whatever value you like. And when you add that, okay, and keep the mission 3 active for now, just for testing the sign. As you can see in the map, it shows the B sign right there. Okay, now you can disable this. Okay, and when we pass mission 1 and 2, then it should show the B sign. Alright, now after the B we have the mission 4 and 5. So right here we will be showing just the D sign. So select this mission 4 and in here select the dias. For the dias, add this. Then from in here select the fourth one, which is entity white. And for the sign we're gonna select T. Its color will be white. Then select lens. On lens add the same script. And for the icon preset you can add the, okay, this is the house, then this is the point. Let's select this house one. Okay, in here we have the house. Let's select the player house. Okay, it is icon data empty. Okay, what we can do right here is for the house, for the player house we can select this player house, color it as white, and then for the lens we can select this icon data empty, which is the second one, and in here change this to the L sign. Okay, and the color will be white. That is it. You can leave this as open for now, mission 4 and 5, and when you play the game you will notice it shows the D and L sign right there, okay, on top of each other. So we can show the icons now. Let me disable mission 4 and 5 for now. Okay, we are showing the icons. Now we need to set up the 4 and 5 mission. So for that, open up the game manager script again. And at the top, make a reference to the mission 4 and 5 area. So mission 4 and 5 area. Okay, then scroll down in the missions right here. We're gonna say if mission 1, 2 and 3 are completed, then show the player cards and also enable the mission 3, mission 4 and 5 area actually. So show that as well. Okay, and if mission 1, 2, 3, mission 4 is not false and 3 is not false, 2 as well and 1 as well, and at the end type mission 5 is equals to true, then we're gonna disable this mission 4 and 5 area. Okay, so disable this. Okay, so when we complete the actually when we complete all of the missions, okay, then disable the mission 4 and 5 area. And if we check right here, okay, it is showing an error. Right here, public game object. Make sure to spell it correctly, then you will notice that when mission 4 and 5 becomes false, as you can see, the house disappear. Okay, and then when we kill Lance, it will make everything false. Okay, we don't want everything to be false, we just want the guards and the Lance and this to be false. Okay, so what we can do is we can move the Diaz house out of there into the environment, and also the player house, move it in the environment. Okay, and just leave this everything else as it is. Then click on game manager and add this mission 4 and 5 area in there, and that will be it. Then you can disable it, and as you can see, disable the characters. Okay, so now all of our mission system is completed, and in the next video now we will be working on our save system, in which we will be saving all of the player informations and all of the missions, and then we will be loading the game as well.